Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. In today's video, I want to show you how we can scan the crypto market using the multiple indicators. So, in the crypto market, we use the crypto screener page to scan the market. But if you have free account on the TradingView, you can use just 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month timeframes. But we usually use the lower time frames to scan the crypto market, like 4 hour, 1 hour, or 15-minute time frames. So, in this case, we cannot use this crypto screener page as effectively. Therefore, I want to show you another free options to scan the market. So, let's get started. Firstly, visit the CryptoPie.net website. In here, click the Custom Strategy under the Strategies section. As you can see, there are a lot of indicators that we can use. So, first of all, we need to add the indicators to below. To do this, click over the indicator. As you can see, if you remove the indicator from here, click the cross sign, like this. And let's again this. How we can use this indicator? The RSI value above the 20 or 70 level. Click the scan button. As you can see, we found 7 results for these parameters. Click this, close this indicator, and MFI, MACD signal, MACD line above the signal line, like this, and close. Stock key D value, stock key level, stochastic RSI, Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band high value above the upper band. Click scan, like this. And the EMA and SMA indicators. There are two options we can use these indicators. The first one, use the open high low close values. The second one is EMA value. The first one is the close value above the 200 EMA, and the next one is EMA value, and here the 50 EMA above the 20 EMA, like this. We can use the SMA indicator like the AMA indicator, and the next one is alpha trend indicator. I don't explain the details of this indicator. If you want to for more details about the indicator, I will put the link, the description below. You can find more detail using this link. So let's use this indicator with together. I want to add RSI and Bollinger Band, and the last one is EMA. The RSI value above the 70 level, and BB close value above the upper band, EMA or close value above the 200 EMA. Click the scan. As you can see, there are just one result for these parameters. So click the chart button. Let's add the indicators on the chart and Bollinger Bands and RSI. Let's adjust this EMA value and change to 100 EMA, and the style is so. Come here. As you can see, the RSI value above the 70 level and close value above the upper band, and the close value above the 200 EMA, like this. Let's close this section. As you can see, we can scan the crypto market like this easily and for free, like in TradingView. So, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the like button. So, that's all. That's enough for the today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.